Hey guys, it is the Financial Tiger here. Welcome back to yet again another video, and today I'm going to be going over my 4 sources of income that net me $10,000 every single month. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. If you guys are new here, consider subscribing to the channel because I make daily videos on how to make money passively, alongside that, how to make money online. Let's go ahead and jump right into it. Before I get started, I do want to state that I am only here to go ahead and showcase my revenue. I'm not here to go ahead and flex on people and make people feel bad. My main goal is to make sure people feel inspired and they can do a lot of good things in the future. But to get this video started off, we're going to start off with my least, and then we're going to go all the way up to the greatest source of income. Starting this video off, we got Linkvertise. Have you ever wanted to go ahead and go to a link or download something? Well, some creators actually put Linkvertise or AdFly on it, basically having you watch an ad or read an article or something of the sort before you can go ahead and get the download. These are actually surprisingly very profitable. As you can see, most of my days are above $25, which is pretty good, netting me around $750 a month. It used to be a little bit better, consistently clocking in at 30, but this means I need to go ahead and put some more links on Linkvertise, but this is only off of 22 links, and as you can see, I'm a little bit down on percentage. For my second source of income, it's actually going to be YouTube automation. This is actually a different type of business model where YouTube is fully automated for people. I don't go ahead and run the cash cow channels myself because it's a little bit more difficult to get this started, but I run a ton of channels for other people where I make the content for them. I basically outsource it to a bunch of different workers, and I made a Discord bot to go ahead and make it fully automated. So all I need to go ahead and do is just make sure the videos get turned in to the people on time. It's very simple, and I don't have to do anything because the person that I work with, he automatically collects it. I'll go ahead and play an example of the video now that can range from Roblox niche all the way up to the celebrity niche. Wait, they are friends again? What the heck? Hey guys, it's Roblox Planet here. Welcome back to yet again another video. Friends, everybody has them, but Mackenzie Turner and Leah Ash haven't been friends for a while now. But something that I have been doing for a while is actually giving away Robux, and you guys can simply win some just by subscribing to the channel and post notifications on, like the video, and comment to the nice side of the comment section with your Roblox username, and it's that simple. You guys are in. But anyways, let's go ahead and continue with the video. So why are Mackenzie Turner and Leah Ash actually not friends? Well, it's actually very simple. They actually gotten into a major conflict over some copyright strikes. Apparently, Leah Ash was sending false copyright strikes to Mackenzie Turner's channel because she felt like Mackenzie Turner was actually infringing on her copyright, meaning that Mackenzie Turner was taking her video ideas, which is actually not true, and meaning that Mackenzie Turner was receiving false copyright strikes and they were no longer friends. This overall hurt the community because everybody knew them as such best friends, and in my personal opinion, I loved watching both of their videos. Let's go to take a look at one of Mackenzie Turner's videos because they were actually pretty good.
Comment true because I am doing it right now. Okay, now where do I find Yell? Do you have the app? I don't know. What's an app? It's like an icon on the phone. I don't have that. Oh, okay, no problem. Then just use your web browser. Web browser?
Usually get these videos made for $20, then I go ahead and turn them in for a profit of $10 because the guy pays me $30 in total. So it's a very easy side hustle and I definitely recommend it, but it's pretty hard to get into. Coming in for the third source of income is actually going to be my YouTube channels. I currently run 2 channels in the gaming niche, one for Minecraft and one for Roblox. Right now you're looking at the Roblox one and it's not looking too good, to be honest with you guys. So basically every day it's making around an average of $15. It does vary, so keep that in mind, but I haven't been able to have a pretty big video on this channel for a while, so it kind of varies. I'll have videos of 20k, and then I'll have some videos of 1k, and then as you can see, the RPM on Roblox is just terrible. But it's not all bad because in the Roblox videos, I get to go ahead and promote something very, very important. I get to go ahead and promote my very own website where it's also connected to AdSense, making this a very profitable channel in the long run. Most of my videos pertain to codes inside of Roblox. Essentially, you put in the code and you'll get in-game rewards such as double XP, things like that, and these are things that the game creators have given out, and basically I make videos about them. This is actually pretty easy, and then I go ahead and lead them to my website, and as you can see, it is actually fully automated and runs itself. I do the exact same thing with Minecraft where I lead people to my website, and as you can see, here are my Minecraft stats. So it is actually a little bit better of an RPM. The gaming niche just is terrible. But as you can see right here, we got a bunch of revenue coming in, basically $65 a day. As you can see, basically netting me around $80 in YouTube ad revenue passively every single day. Well, it's not exactly passive because I still have to manage it. Another way I'm able to go ahead and make money off this YouTube channel is also promoting other people's Minecraft servers so they can go ahead and get players, and in return I get cash. So it's actually a pretty good trade-off, and sometimes I'll go ahead and do a couple of these a month. But let's go ahead and jump into the fourth method on how I'm able to go ahead and make so much money. Coming in for the last and final method is going to be YouTube AdSense through my two websites I own. I already showcased the first one, which is going to be the supercodes.com. Basically, that website is all about Roblox codes, but the more profitable one is actually the Minecraft website, where I provide downloads to Minecraft mods, texture packs, skins, you name it, I have it on that site. It's very profitable, and I was able to go ahead and make a ton of money off of it. As you can see, last month I made almost $5,000 off the two websites, and this is definitely my most profitable month so far. I'm actually pretty excited, and I actually have gotten some sponsors for the website, so I was able to go ahead and leverage the money that I'm getting to go ahead and pay for more promotion on the website, and it looks like it's actually working out. And it also looks like it's working out because I made $200 yesterday, and we're on track to make around $180 today. So it's definitely very profitable, and I highly recommend getting into this one. So basically every day I am making money passively because I don't have to do anything. This is actually pretty easy, and I'm actually really liking this. I started this in March, and it basically skyrocketed from there. I've been able to go ahead and leverage my YouTube following through tutorials to go ahead and push my website out there, because basically you have to go ahead and follow the tutorial. You have to go to the site. There's really no other way to get to download. Here's the Minecraft website right here, mcdlhub.com, and it's definitely very profitable, and I didn't have to create any of the Minecraft mods. Essentially, as you can see, over the course of 3 months, I was able to go ahead and run up 1 million views off this website, which is just very fortunate, and it's basically insane. As you can see, I have over 3,000 users, definitely a growing community, and it was very easy to go ahead and accomplish this by sponsoring YouTubers and also promoting it myself. What do you guys think? Let me know down in the comment section below. What are your sources of income? Or are you guys still looking for inspiration? I'd love to know your guys' stories down in the comment section below. But I'll see you guys next time on the next video for Financial Tiger. Bye.